Hi, my name is Mary Fitzgerald. You probably have seen me on the hit Netflix series Selling Sunset, but today I'm hanging out with you guys to show you this amazing property. It's 8,600 square feet, 6 bedrooms, it has a pool, and just beautiful throughout. Coincidentally, this home is currently owned by French Montana, who is a huge music star, and previously owned by Selena Gomez, who's also a pop star. So lots of history here, so much to see inside. Let's go take a look around. So the first thing you notice when you walk in the door is this amazing dining room. It has a beautiful fireplace, just dramatic chandelier. It also has 20-foot ceilings where you can enjoy a small, intimate dinner party, but if your guests start growing, they can spill out into this beautiful courtyard where you can make your dinner party a lot bigger. So this used to be the formal dining room, but in typical musician style, he needed an entertainment space. So this is now this very cool pool table lounge area, huge windows with curtains, 20-foot ceilings, and a terrace above where someone can be playing piano and add to the ambiance. So this entertainment space has pretty much everything you could want in terms of space, except for food. So the kitchen's right next door. Let's go take a look at that. So this kitchen is a chef's kitchen, offering an oversized fridge, double appliances throughout, and an incredible open floor plan. So what's so cool about this open floor plan is you can still use the kitchen and also communicate to everybody in the living room, watching football, hanging out, and the party never has to stop. The outdoor area in this backyard is an entertainer's dream. Really your own private oasis. You've got your barbecue, wood-burning pizza oven, and total privacy. So whether you like to lay out in the sun and enjoy the pool or hang out with your friends underneath the cabana, this property offers it all. My personal favorite is the home theater upstairs. It has a total Beverly Hills Hotel vibe, and you probably saw it on Keeping Up with the Kardashians because Scott Disick helped French Montana decorate this room on the show. And bonus, this home theater is sound dampened just like every home theater should be. And speaking of soundproofing and dampening, let's go take a look at the guest house where the music studio is located. So for those of you that know who French Montana is, this is where all of his top hits were made. Very cool history here with Selena Gomez and French Montana. But for those of you that don't require a music studio, it can be converted back into a 2-car garage. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour. You can see yourselves out. I'm gonna stick around here, try to make some music, so if my real estate career doesn't work out, you'll find me in here making some beats.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes,